Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2022 Sunseeker 3250 LE Class C motorhome. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of the RV. Then we will close it all up and show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2022 Sunseeker 3250 LE. We are going to start back here in the rear of the RV and then kind of work our way forward. So back here in the back section is your master bedroom. So you got basically a queen size bed back here. The bed does raise up, so there is a little bit of storage underneath of there. The electric box with your breakers and fuses right back here. Heat duct coming out the side. Some closet space and cabinet space up above your bed, little nightstands. The one on the right over here does have a drawer built in. Looking up at your roof here, there is a roof vent here. Now, if you were to order it with an optional second AC, that vent would be gone and the second AC drops in right there. And there's ductwork through the ceiling. Sliding door to block off the bedroom for privacy. Now, spinning back around here at the foot of the bed area, you have some more drawer space and cabinet space and stuff here. But up here, if you wanted to do a TV, you could. There are a 12-volt outlet and a little cable outlet right there as well. On the Sunseeker more deluxe version, you basically, the Sunseeker Classic, they would have a TV already there as part of their standards, but when you're on the LE version, it becomes basically an aftermarket feature to add. But you do have quite a bit of space here. Hanging closet area there. Again, drawer space down below. Same over there. More hanging closet space. Pretty cool little setup for a family Class C motorhome here. Now over here you have two bunks or a sofa and a bunk, depending on how you want to set it up. There is a seat belt there as well, so for passengers to ride back there. The little bunk will flip up out of your way if you want it to give you more headroom. You can kind of see the bunk goes back in there a little bit. They each have their own little curtain to draw across for privacy. And when you have it up in seat mode, or even if they're laying down taking a nap or whatever, you do have a TV across from there, so they could watch some TV if they wanted. You have your thermostat, digital thermostat for your AC and your furnace, slide control button, some light switches. In here we have our bathroom area here. So we got a porcelain foot flush toilet, a little bit of cabinet space down below your sink area, a decent amount of counter space for a bathroom sink, large medicine cabinet, some more storage space, vent fan, AC in here as well, shower surround, pull across shower vinyl door, heat duct down below. So a decent size for a Class C motorhome. On up into the front section here, you've got your over cab bunk area here. There is some storage space, 12-volt outlets, USB charger ports down there as well. A little more storage space back there. Window on each side. Swing around TV. The TV also has a radio built into it as well, FM radio, Bluetooth. Now on the TV, when you're in travel mode, there's a little wing nut down here that you're supposed to tighten up so it don't just swing around. But when you're stable and not moving around, loosen it up, and then you can swing the TV back and forth out of your way. You do have a little portable ladder over there to get you up into the loft area here. Nice overhead cabinets. You have the traditional booth dinette with some storage underneath of there. Currently using the Magic Chef 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. The sofa over here has a couple seat belts in it as well. So did that dinette, I forgot to mention. But you have a little flip down cup holder thing, armrest in the middle. This will also make into another bed if needed. Some more overhead cabinet space. You have a 3-burner gas cooktop with a convection microwave down below. Propane leak detector down there, some drawer space. There's a little flip-up countertop extension there. Sprayer faucet, large undermount sink area there, stainless. And then there's also a wireless charging pad there as well. Down below we have a few more features we'll hit on when we come back in. But right here you again have your slide button, gas electric water heater buttons, water pump, Arctic pack if you do the 12 volt tank heaters, some light switches, docking switch, generator start stop, monitor panels for your propane, battery, fresh, black, and gray waters, all right here. Looking up top, you've got a turbo exhaust fan up there. You can also see your ducted AC system up there. All right, we're gonna head outside. I wanna show you around the outside real quick, and then we'll be back in to close it up. All right, we are now back on the outside of the new 2022 Sunseeker 3250 LE motorhome here. Starting off, this is a white fiberglass exterior. The unit has a power awning, LED light strip built in, adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff purposes. And it does have a manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. There's an electric outlet down here. Also, this is your onboard propane tank right here. There is a little side camera, one on this side, one on the other side, and then you'll have one on the back. So you have 3 cameras on the RV. Little storage area down below here. You have deep tint safety glass windows. Outdoor speakers up here. Traditional RV entry door and screen door. It does have a window in it. Traditional porch light up top there. You have a little grab handle there to help you get in and out of the RV. Furnace exhaust out right here. Then you have another storage area down here. Dual tandem wheels back here. Now right here is a little bit of a storage compartment, but also part of your winterization stuff. Your water pump and things are back here. Another large pass-through storage compartment here. Now on the top of the slide out, you'll also notice it does have a slide out awning cover. That is a nice standard feature that the RV factory puts on the RV. Basically helps cover the top of the room, so it does help repel a lot of water, but most importantly it keeps the leaves and twigs and debris and stuff like that off of there, so you don't have to worry about getting up there and cleaning it off all the time. There is a rear observation camera in the back running light up here. You have your hitch on the back of the vehicle here, 2-inch hitch receiver. It is a 7-way wiring Bargman plug. It's basically a setup for a 4-way, so it runs your running lights, turn signals and stuff. If you're towing something that has brakes on it behind you, you would want to add a brake controller aftermarket to it and kind of do all that. But it does have a 7-way Bargman, set up for basically your running lights and turn signals. Hitch wise, it'll tell you down here 7,500 pound tow capacity, 750 pound tongue weight. This side of the storage compartment, a little bit taller section here, but then again, it goes all the way across. Down below, here's your little dump area. There's a little light down here, but you got your gray and black dump handles down here, city water inlet, and your black tank flush. Just up above, you have your 30 amp electric cord. It's a detachable electric cord. Stretches out probably close to 25 or 30 feet long. Gravity fill fresh water tank right here, and cable inlet as well. Another little security light over here. Your gas fill up is right here. The other little storage compartment here. 6-gallon Dometic gas electric water heater. Again, slide out awning topper on this slide out as well. Right down here you have another little storage compartment area here. And underneath here is generator. So we have an Onan 4,000 watt generator right here. And then again, another little side camera. Generator exhaust out right down below there as well. The chassis is a Ford E450 Super Duty chassis. This one was ordered with the optional aluminum running boards also. And this one was also ordered with the optional auto level jack system. You can see one of the jacks there. So when you order it with the auto level jack system, you get 2 jacks up front and then 2 just in front of the rear axle as well. .3 liter. You also have a fiberglass roof. All right, we're gonna run inside. I wanna show you what it looks like closed real quick. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we're gonna step up inside here to close it up, but on my way in here, just to point out, your house batteries are under the step. There is a little safe right here. Your auto level jack system here, battery disconnect here, solar charge controller information type stuff here. You got a couple light switches, awning switch. Now stepping on up into the coach, got your slide button here for the front slide. There's also some light switches, gas electric water heater, Arctic pack if you do that, water pump, generator start stop hour meter, monitor panel, quite a few things right here. The docking light on the driver's side rear also. But closing this thing up, this is an electric slide or 12 volt slide. So basically you just push the button inward to bring it in. When you are ready to do so, you got to make sure, number one, that the emergency brake's on and also the key is in accessory position to allow the slide to activate. So we hit the key into accessory position, and when we do that, your jacks basically are going to start throwing an alarm telling you that your jacks are down. Now just to bring them back up, we're going to hit the all retract button. That'll bring it back up. The motorhome's lowering itself back down. We'll let that do its thing here real quick. Now, once that does its thing and it's all up, it stops beeping, you can just hit your button, bring the slide in, If you want, you can bring the slides in with its beeping, but for video purposes, I just brought the jacks up to get the beeping to stop. So this comes straight in and pretty much straight out. You got kind of a little ratchety noise there letting you know it's all the way in. Very important, obviously, to make sure your drawers and stuff over there are closed. But even with it closed up, there is still plenty of room to walk in and out of your area right here. And then when you are ready to take it back out, all you got to do, kind of the same thing, hit the button out. Slide's going to run straight on back out. You hear that little ratchety noise again, letting you know it's all the way out. Now back here, we have our little bunk room and closet room slide. Now this slide button is right here in the hallway, just outside the bathroom door here. When you're ready to bring that in, you push the button in, and it's going to come straight in and straight out. Same thing, this is a 12-volt slide motor. Step back here a little bit so you can see this. When it comes in, there's still room to go right on back to the rear of the RV or get to the bathroom if you need to. Now your lower cabinets and stuff, you can't really get to that. That is basically butted right up against the bed here. But you could still come back here if you're at a rest area, sleep if you want to. Also down below is your electric box with the breaker and fuses in it. Spin myself around here so you can kind of see it from the other direction. Open up the bathroom door and go on into the bathroom if you need to. Now when you're ready to go back out, all you're going to do is just hit the out button. And again, that slide goes straight back out. Pretty simple and easy to do. You do want to make sure that your slide areas are kind of clean and no obstructions in the way. So if there's any little kids' toys or dog toys or anything like that, rocks, pebbles, make sure you sweep up the floor a little bit before you run things in and out so you don't possibly damage stuff. Thanks again for taking the time to watch my RV videos. Really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my RV videos.